Unlicensed spectrum and unlicensed technologies play a very important role in our operations and have for quite some time already. We've supported Wi-Fi calling, for example, already since 2007. We've had that innovation in place for a long, long time. We provide CellSpot routers to our customers if they need improved coverage at home that supports Wi-Fi as well. We've worked very hard on developing capabilities to bring LTE into the unlicensed space as well. We work together with Wi-Fi Alliance on coexistence test specification. We firmly believe in fair sharing and kind of everyone having equal access to that spectrum, which is absolutely necessary.